So I think I'm going to hold here, 2 over here. So we're fixing an fxdx something dyna turd exhaust bracket. For some reason they can't figure out how to make it not break. What kind of exhaust is on this bike?
What kind of exhaust?
Yeah.
Bassani Road Rage.
Oh, it's a piece of crap Bassani. They don't want to make exhaust brackets.
Wow.
So we're redoing it.
I read hard.
What do you want for $1,000? Are those $1,500? I guess 1,000. That's a cheap price.
Right.
I always figure a couple $100 for too much money to go out. Always some behind the times. Oh shit, someone's calling me. Oh well. If you're calling me, I'm busy. Leave me alone. So we're gonna put some holes in here so we weld through them. There you go. See, it's not real. This has got like an 8th wall, 5/8 2 square stock. Not strong enough. Weld once, weld once. Now we're gonna weld it twice. Reinforce it. Hidden reinforcement. Let's see. I think that'll screw up my bias beam right there. Oh, nope, that was good. I want to drill in my bias.
Yeah.
See, that's your catcher there. So. Chips on the floor.
Recycling.
Look at that. Chips on the floor.
There's plenty of chips down the other end.
See, in a new shop, you can see what I'm doing a lot easier because there's access behind me.
Yeah.
There used to be a lathe and a wall in the other place. You
Right.
couldn't get to anything. Now you can see me.
Better angles.
The angles are better. There you go. So now you can see me screw it better. All right, so here's our bracket. That goes to there somehow. So we beat it out to get a good weld. Got some plug welds to reinforce. We're going to put a bar up the center. So instead of spending money putting a bolt in there, we're going to use a piece of old thread because they're cheap. So where's the old thread?
I don't know, it's not here.
Well, I guess we don't need it.
It's down here.
Oh, it's right here?
Mm-hmm.
Here it is, right here. Okay, that's the virgin side. Nope, that's been cut too. That's got a burr on it. This side's just got burrs on these. This is the rusty side, swings out.
Yeah.
So this is goes up the rear end over here. Got chips in the hole now. There we go. And that goes in there like that. And it bottoms out up in here as far as you can go. You go like that. We line it up, weld the piss out of it, cut off the excess, weld up the end so it's solid, so it looks nice. And the bar will hold us all together and make it stronger. And then it might not break this week. How long does it last you? 2 weeks? You get 2 months out.
4 years?
4 years. Oh, okay. So maybe it'll last
Well, no, you don't
6.
count COVID, so
twice as long.
6 years.
So, with the bar in there, it's going to be a lot stronger. And we're going to beat the bar up in here as far as it goes, so get a little hammer and knock it a little bit. But we'll cut this off after we're done welding. It also makes a good welding jig. You can line it all up and square it up. And keeps it pretty square, so it should be right in the right spot, too. It's a twofer.
Exactly.
And you got to rotate this so it's correct angle. That's what you got to do. All right, let's go find the welder. Where's that welder at? Here you go. We need some bubble gum. You got some bubble gum?
No, I just got Gorilla Glue.
Oh, Scooby got tied up. He can't get to his bed now. So,
Yeah, also not running out the door.
he doesn't want to be in here. That's why he's want to throw it. There you go. Come on, Scooby. Come on, get over here.
This is what we call B-roll.
Come on, get over there. Come on. Scooby's camera shy.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go.
Good boy, Scoops.
Restaurant noise out there too. Excellent. So what I'm going to do is, I am going to use the vise as a fixture. What the hell? That's what you call aluminum slag.
Could that do
A
fly
ring.
off of something?
There you
Pinky
go.
ring. You want a ring?
No.
How much can I get for that?
At least
Not much.
$1.50.
There you go. Look at
There
that.
we go.
Custom. Tatro exclusive. One of a kind.
Is it jewelry making now?
See the big hole I put in the floor?
A little hot.
Yeah. Kept trying to find the airlines all over the place. Couldn't get to them. Walking down there. Okay, so this is going to go in here somewhere like that. There we go. Can put Harley's better. So now we got this one in there. Where's my hammer? I have a hammer. Can't work in a Harley sharp without a hammer. There, it's all the way in. It's all the way in. Okay, I think it's all the way in. So
Appears
it's
to be.
jammed all the way up into here now. So we can't go no more. How's that go? Go like this?
Yeah.
I don't know how it goes.
There we go.
Go like that one? Oh. Is this idiot proof?
I think so.
Oh shit. Didn't know I was so smart. Let's see if I go this way, it's better. Okay. Does it look straight to you from your side? No, it's not straight? What do you want me to do? It's your bike.
Yeah.
I don't know. Might be off a little bit. What's your level? Was it straight to begin with? Is it supposed to be
Would it
straight? I don't know. It's not my bike.
No, but would it be?
I don't know. It's bassani. Okay, we're on the edge of the bubble this way. Oh, it's uphill quite a bit. See, it's on the edge of the bubble right here too, see?
It's not a straight.
See right here? It's on the edge of the bubble here too, see? Looks pretty close. Close enough for your bike.
Yeah, well, I know it.
Assuming it's supposed to be straight to begin with, I don't know. It's not my bike, so I don't know. Okay, what did you do to my weld? Did you break it?
No. I made sure it was clear of the hose.
Okay, so this is the TIG, this is the big welding helmet? Yeah, okay, good. Make sure I don't mix up with the TIG welding helmet, which is up there now. I put batteries in that one so that one works again. Oh, interference.
There you go. Okay, now you're free to go.
Alright, we'll be back.